Okay, in our next lesson, in this lesson, we are going to talk about pyramids. Okay, so a pyramid is a solid figure, okay, in which the base is a polygon. So we have a square pyramid, okay, so it means the base is a square. A rectangular pyramid, it means the base is a rectangle. Triangular pyramid, and so on and so forth. Now, if I should have a square pyramid with vertices A, B, C, D. Now, the apex V, which is the top of the pyramid, is called the apex, okay? Let's name the apex V. Now, the height of the pyramid will be, if I should find a cross-section of this, draw diagonal lines through the square pyramid. You know, this angle is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, because it's a square, okay? So we can use Pythagoras Theorem, and then we can find the midpoint here. So, assuming we are given, let's say, a pyramid with length a square pyramid with length this, and this. We can use Pythagoras Theorem to get, let's say if this is 4 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters, we can get the hypotenuse, okay, by using what? Pythagoras Theorem. And if we want the middle and we get the hypotenuse, we divide that answer by 2, which will give us the midpoint here. Now, the height of the pyramid is from this point all the apex to where we have this, okay? This will give us the height h of the pyramid, okay? This is the height of the pyramid, h. Now, we are saying that the total surface area of a pyramid is equal to the, when we talk about the net of a pyramid, in this case, we are talking about a square, okay? Length, 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 length. Now, we are having 4 triangles, okay? We have 4 triangles. So, this is forming the net of this pyramid, okay? So when you bring everything together, then you have this pyramid there, okay? Then the apex will be the V. Now for the net of a pyramid, we are told that it is the area of the net of all the faces. So if I should find the area of this triangle, I multiply it by what? How many triangles do we have here? 4. So I find the area of one of the triangles, I multiply it by 4, and then I find the area of this square, okay? So the total surface area of this pyramid is what? The area of a triangle multiplied by 4 plus the area of what? A square. That will give you the total surface area of the pyramid. And then the volume of a pyramid is given to you by 1/3 the area of the base. So if you are able to find the area of this base, so 1/3 area of the base times the height, okay? That will give you the volume of the pyramid. So normally, we use Pythagoras Theorem in solving this kind of thing. So you can be asked to find the angle, okay? Finding the angle, if you know your trig ratios. We learned about the trig ratios using the sine, cosine, and the tangent. So we can find the angles if you are asked a question. So practically, for you to get a height, normally we use Pythagoras Theorem. If it is a rectangular base, you can have this side as, let's say, 4, this side as 8. You can just do your diagonals and then get a height, okay? When you get the hypotenuse divided by 2, get the height, and the height will be, you also pick this, okay? When you pick this is also a right angle triangle. So you can get, if you know this length, which you have already found, and you also know the slant height, you can also find the h by using Pythagoras Theorem again. So practically, for the square and then the rectangular pyramid, normally it's about Pythagoras Theorem, okay? So we can solve questions under them using the Pythagoras Theorem.